everybody is talking about rising car prices. Well, last year, a lot of news reports came that car prices in Malaysia will be going up. We are not bothered about Trump's tariffs and the global market and everything else. This news, this so-called statements from a lot of people, I'm talking about media people, end of last year were scaring consumers, thinking, oh, car prices are going up in 2025. Well, I'm here to tell you it's not going to happen, and I'll tell you why. I'm driving a brand new car, launched recently. We did a review already. The importance is price. So when everyone said the prices were going up was simply because there was news that the government is going to reformat the calculation. I'm giving you a simple formula. Reformat the calculation of import duties for non-electric cars. I'm talking about petrol-powered cars, hybrid cars, because they don't have incentives. Of course, you have local assemble and non-local assemble cars. You have cars that are partially assembled. So these are all customized incentives. And so it's easy for negotiations to be made to work out who's going to get the best deal in terms of tax rebates. But what happened is they were wrong. I'll proudly say this, they were wrong. And why I say they were wrong is this. Now, in the past, I would say 8 to 9 months, I'm sure you all have seen enough social media advertising. Also, DSF news portal sharing discounts, fantastic discounts on new cars. And I'm not talking about, 2023 models, 2022 models. I'm talking about 2024 models. This is last year. So last year, these cars are new, and yet, within a few months of launch, they were getting discounts. And I'll give you an example. One of the biggest brands in the country, Toyota, they were also giving discounts. And when Toyota gives a discount, you start saying, how did this happen? Toyota never gives discounts unless it's an outgoing model. And I mean outgoing means it's 5-6 years in the market, it's time for them to retire model. But this time they were giving discounts on models that were 1 year old, 2 year old. Now, why is that happening? Because of the wonders of the Republic of China. And I say the wonders because why? China's automotive market has blossomed. The thorn has become a rose. They are now able to produce and deliver cars global standard. They are now able to deliver a product, high technology, high safety, fantastic build quality. I'll use the word fantastic because it is. Fantastic features, high luxury appointments on the interior, great design, for a price that is lower than what the Koreans and Japanese used to charge us. In fact, right now, they can actually sell some of their cars even lower than Perdua and Proton. But they're not allowed to. But they can. So they've got a lot of margin. So what they do is they release a car, they see the crowd coming in. The moment there's a little bit of competition, boom, let's throw some discount. Boom, let's throw another discount. Boom, let's throw a third discount. And when they do that, the traditional, well-organized, well-oiled machinery from Japan and Germany, in terms of the auto market, are forced to give discounts also. So, I'm telling you all this to let you know that, in fact, car prices in 2025 will come down. You mark my words, you save this video, you share this video, car prices are coming down. And that is good news for Malaysians, because Malaysians have lived with high car prices for so long. We've always had high car prices. We've never had reasonable car prices. So now things have changed for us. And it's all thanks to auto manufacturers from China. Thank you, auto manufacturers from China, for bringing reasonable prices to the average Malaysian. In fact, even the luxury market is enjoying this. Yes, the luxury car market is feeling the pinch of the Chinese arrival in Malaysia and their very, very smart discounting methods. So, that's my news for today. Save this video, save the date, put it in your phone, go back to it, say maybe 3 months from now, 4 months from now, and see if this is all true or not. Thank you for watching DSF. Have a wonderful 2025.